Hi, my name is Steven Steiner. I'm CEO of FreeBitcoins.com and AltQuick.com, two websites that work together to get some pretty cool results. If you come to FreeBitcoins.com to get free cryptocurrency, you'll need to register an account on AltQuick.com. AltQuick.com is a full service Bitcoin based altcoin exchange. It's fully automated. I like to think it's pretty decent. After signing up here, you'll need to wait 24 hours. After 24 hours, you'll have access to our cryptocurrency faucet. Simply prove you're a human, maybe, and then type your full account name. If you use case sensitive stuff, you need to use it here as well or it won't work. After typing your username, click whichever coin you wish and we will deposit it directly to your AltQuick account. After that, you're welcome to build up a balance until you can withdraw that. Or what I recommend is purchasing some smaller altcoins so that you have an opportunity to use the blockchain. Claim Coin, for example, you can withdraw after one faucet hit. It's pretty handy. This is a bid. These are people who are willing to buy. This is an ask. These are people who are willing to sell. It's a much better way to learn with other people's money than it is with your life savings, in my opinion. Our exchange isn't only for people who are using the faucet, it's for anybody else in the world who wishes to trade any of the altcoins that we support, which is currently over 20. If you wish to trade on our exchange but you don't want to register with us, we have a swap tool that allows you to trade any coin we offer with any other coin we offer. The liquidity is tied directly into our exchange, so please be advised of that and look at the books before you trade. And keep in mind that numbers can change while you're receiving confirmations, especially if they're slow confirmations, so be careful.